In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix my MAZDA app not working. So if you're also having problems that your MAZDA app that it's not working for you and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did firstly is that I closed the MAZDA app and instead I went into the settings app here on my phone. So in here on my settings app, I just scrolled down and I clicked on general, and in here I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage. And in here you're just going to swipe up like this, as you can see, and then click on search for MAZDA here, as you can see, search for MAZDA, click on the MAZDA app, then click on upload app, and down below here click on upload app again. Just wait a couple of seconds, click on the reinstall app button now. And we're just going to now wait for it to completely update to its latest version. As you can see, it's going to now keep updating. If I'm going to show you, it's just loading here, as you can see. So wait for it to completely load, and when it's done, you're going to go back into the app and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.